Well, my name's Dale Westerman. I'm President and CEO of RJG Inc. Have been in that position since the beginning of 2014. RJG works with plastic injection molders to supply absolute quality parts to their customers. And we help injection molders provide the quality parts through our training programs and through data acquisition systems and sensors that are in mold sensing so that we can see what's going on inside the mold. I'm a Midwest kid. I was born in Ohio. My dad was a mid-level manager for AT&T, and part of that program was that we moved to a different city about every 3 years. So I didn't really have any roots other than my dad's main goal was to be somewhere where we were close enough to Traverse City that we could come here every summer on vacation. I decided that, you know, if I became an engineer, that's a career that I could go anywhere, and hopefully I could come to Traverse City. So after I went to Marquette University, got a degree in mechanical engineering, and I worked in Chicago for 5 years, and then I made a shift and moved up here. Chicago's a great place. I love to go visit, but if you're somebody that likes the outdoors and is active, there's no replacement for Traverse City. For me, you know, I can commute to work on my bicycle. I can, any day of the week in the summer, after work, I might be windsurfing, I might be water skiing, I might be mountain biking. In the winter, I'm Nordic skiing. There is just a host of things to do if you love the outdoors. There are nationally recognized restaurants here in Traverse City that I think are fueled by the tourist industry, but there are many places you can go that are very unique. There's all the microbreweries that we have in Michigan that are unique. So there's all sorts of, if you like food, Traverse City is a foodie place. But also we have the film festival that comes here, and so we go to that in the summer. We have the Cherry Festival. You know, there's always something going on. The water's cleaner here than any place I've ever seen. You know, we have the sandy clear water. I've been all over the place. You know, I've been different countries. I've been all over the U.S., just about every state. And everywhere I go, within a week, I just can't wait to get back to Traverse City because I've never seen any place that has water like Traverse City. I think because we're a smaller town and everything is so accessible, I think there's probably more access to culture here than we had when we lived in Chicago. Because when we lived in Chicago, you had to commute 40 miles from the suburbs. And here, you know, I can ride my bicycle to the film festival or the restaurants or whatever. There are just so many interesting things going on in this area, but we can always use more talent. You know, I think that's one of the things is that, you know, if you have technical abilities, you know, those are always in demand everywhere, and Traverse City's no different. And I think that just because it's a smaller town, it's surprising how many things are going on here and how many really innovative, cool, exciting things are going on here.